then we're gonna put it back in the baking pan. Alright, there you go. Alright. And then same with the others. Okay. Alright. Okay, I think one small can will be okay, depending on how many enchilada you want to bake. Okay. Alright, so now after you preheat the oven for 350 degrees, we're going to put this enchilada inside the oven. Okay, and we're going to bake it 20 to 25 minutes. Okay, just keep an eye on it. Alright, there you go. 20 to 25 minutes. The enchilada is not cooked yet, but we can add sauce. Okay, so it won't come out dry. Okay. Alright, there you go. Put some on the side. A bit in the oven, maybe for another 10 to 5 minutes. Okay. So after 20 to 25 minutes, so the enchilada is done. Okay. There you go. So you can add a little sauce if you want to, but not too much. Okay, so right now I'm just putting the mild. Okay, there you go. This is just a simple enchilada. Okay, this is like a homemade, not like the restaurant type enchilada. Okay, so there you go. Just put a little sauce. Okay, not too much, and then let's see. Alright, so there you go. So put a little sauce. Okay, alright, and then you can add a little sprinkle of cheese, green onions, you know. There you go. So it's ready to eat.
That's it?
That's it. So let's taste it. There you go. Remember, this is just cheese enchilada. Okay. All right.